Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be me cleaning out my entire vanity over there. So if this is your first time watching me or my channel, you guys know what to do. Click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, click the thumbs up if you like videos like this. I wanted to show you guys my disgusting vanity, and I'm going to be utilizing that space to look a lot better. So I just wanted to show you guys how I cleaned it out, what I keep in it, and what I will be keeping in it from now on. So if you guys like these declutter and organization videos, especially when it comes to makeup, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below so I know to bring you guys more. But I'm not going to talk your ear off, so without further ado, let's just jump in. Alright you guys, what's up? I'm just giving you a little overview of my actual vanity desk. You guys have seen this before. It is a mess. I have makeup sitting on top. I have my everyday, well, that's my Shop My Stash for the month, but those are also my Project Pan items. There's me and my mirror, and then I have lip liners, eyeliners, brows, eyeliners, what else, glitter, all that stuff in there. And so I want to clean that out as well. But what we're going to focus on actually today are these two drawers. These drawers are huge and can probably hold a good amount of makeup, and I just have things thrown in there. So I just want to show you guys exactly what are in these drawers. I mean, I don't even know. There's hair ties, pens, markers, highlighters, little, what is this? A little keychain pouch. There's combs, scarves, phone cases that I don't even think fit my phone anymore. Nail polish, which I barely use. I only use nail polish when I do a little spa days with my girls. So I think I can start to keep that nail polish upstairs, actually in my bathroom. Brushes. There's brush cleaner back here. One of those color switch things, some Q-tips, all types of random stuff. Over here is not so random, but still pretty random and not put together. So I do have my mascaras. These are new mascaras, as well as the ones that I already have open that I'm currently using. I love this Fenty Beauty one also, by the way, but that's what's in there. I have my favorite razors and hair removal stuff, a glue stick for some reason. All of my lip care items are here, and then a bunch of random stuff over there. So we're going to pull every single thing out of both of these drawers, put it on top, and then I'm going to determine if it should go back in the drawers or not. And then I'll probably make this drawer my random drawers with the hair ties that I need in here and stuff like that. And then I'll put some actual makeup in this drawer and kind of clear out some of the space out of my makeup drawers over there. You guys, I want to do a complete overhaul of my makeup collection and really just reorganize it, but I'm not there yet. So I'm going to start little by little and put some of it in here. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so you guys, we're going to start with this drawer right here. I love this desk for the functionality and the space that it gives, and I will make sure it's linked down below. This desk is amazing. The whole reason I got it was for the drawers and all the storage that you get, but I mean, I just looked up one day and I realized I'm not even using the storage correctly. I could just be using this so much more functionally besides stuff just thrown in here. So today, we're going to make sure that I'm using this space more functionally and really just get this organized and cleaned out so I really know what I have. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull everything out of this drawer, and then we're going to wipe it down.
Left of me, drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm at extreme at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Show you guys what I did. I'm sitting here watching Paternity Court on YouTube, but everything has been cleared out of the drawers. They are completely empty and clean, and now it's time to start putting stuff back. Like I said, I want this drawer to be makeup, my belly in the way, but I want this drawer to be makeup, and then I want this drawer to be some of my other miscellaneous items like the hair stuff and stuff like that. So I'll figure out how I want to separate it in a minute, but this is all the stuff that came out of both of those drawers. Like, a lot of these nail polishes are just no good and need to be completely thrown away, so that's what I'm going to do. And I just really need to sort through all of these bins to see if this is stuff that I really need or if I'm just holding on to it. So that's what we're going to start doing. so here is the final look of my vanity. Everything's all clean and wiped down. Like I said, I didn't touch that makeup over there because I just feel like I like having my brow stuff and my liners out, so I'm gonna leave that there. But I did clean out my concealers in this little thing here. And so let me show you the drawers. I'm really excited, you guys. Look how good this looks. So I have my mascaras here on this side, all of my lip care products sitting in this little bin. I put my concealers in here, so I have all of my drugstore concealers as well as my high-end concealers right next to them. I really need to do a concealer declutter. Oop, this is the wrong one. I really need to do a concealer declutter because I have too many, but drugstore and high-end. And then here I have like hair removal tools, and I just kind of stuck this Beauty Blender Blotterazzi in there. And then I have more unopened hair removal tools here. And then if I come back here, this drawer doesn't open all the way, but back there are just like brand new mascaras as well as a brand new e.l.f. like lip exfoliant. So moving into drawer number 2, this one is probably my favorite because it looks so much better. I left some of the hair stuff. So over here, I took out some of those combs because I just had way too many and I only left a few. But I did leave all the hair ties and like the butterfly clips and these little duckbill clips for when I do my hair down here. I have some Q-tips that I left in here, some stickers that I like to put on my makeup that I'm currently using at the moment. There are some hand creams in here, this is a makeup brush cleaner from Sigma, and I'm actually going to put it like right here with the rest of them because I do have, this is a makeup sponge as well as a solid cleanser. And then I have 4 of these e.l.f. These are the e.l.f. solid sponge cleanser. So I do have 4 of those sitting there. So I'll just sit this on top so I don't forget about it. I have a candle lighter for when I light my candles, some wig tape, and then back here there's some wig makeup as well as just some handheld mirrors. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was at least helpful for you so you can see or maybe get inspiration on how to organize your makeup in your vanities. Again, if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to let me know down below in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys. Autumn line is perfect. It's so hard to decide.